Don't skip this video if you are a married Igbo man, or if you are a young Igbo man who wishes to get married in future. Whether you are getting married to an Igbo girl or to a person who is not from our Igbo extraction, don't skip this video. I want you to watch this video.
You said the room is New Delhi, right?
Yes.
It's New Delhi.
Yes.
Why did they cover your face? New Delhi. New Delhi. New Delhi, Madrid. Yes, I'm around. I don't come.
Are you back?
Yeah, I'm back.
Alright.
How are you?
Daddy.
So this is true.
Hey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
This is true. What's that? This is true.
No,
So you can't stay in the house with my small daughter.
I'm sorry.
Daughter of 9 years.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm
Mandy,
sorry.
you can't
I'm
keep her
sorry.
at home.
It's temptation. Oh, hey. It's the devil's work.
What have I done?
My love. My love.
What have I not done?
My love. I'm sorry. Hey, what did
Daddy,
you do this?
why are you coming back so soon?
I've come back.
It's so soon. You just traveled today and you're coming back so soon.
Yes. Eh?
My love, I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
A girl of 9 years.
It won't happen again. I promise. It won't happen again. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my love.
Daddy, the day before yesterday, she took me to one
Wait, allow her to talk. You
she
said?
took me to one hotel room. Her and one man stay in one room. Then she locked me in another room.
Eh?
Yes. They were discussing something and they locked the room. Mom, please allow me.
No,
to
calm down.
talk.
No, calm down. Don't talk again. Calm down.
Eh?
I'm finished. Oh.
Madam,
Even yesterday, she took me to another place.
You see?
even yesterday she took you to another place.
Yes.
No, that's not true.
She took me to another place. Her and a man, one man was discussing. Then she locked the room.
You see?
I'm finished.
Madam. Really, I just, you see. Okay, I told you to keep your patience. I don't want you to talk much. I told you not to overtalk. Did you understand me?
Yes.
Because you are angry. So I don't want you to overtalk the way you were talking. Madam,
Yes, I'm sorry.
even if you are going out with a man, are you supposed to go with your 9-year daughter?
No.
So if you are living at home, you don't want people to know that you are living alone. You go with your daughter. Then you took your daughter to there. You hear what your daughter is saying?
I'm sorry.
Putting her in another room.
I'm
You
so
stay with a room with a man, locking her. Is it okay?
No, it's not.
Eh?
It's not okay. It's not. It's not. I'm sorry. It won't happen again. My love, it shouldn't. I promise. Hey. I'm sorry.
See, anytime, come. How are you?
Fine, sir.
See, no, don't show the face like that. You hear me? Anytime your daddy is not at home, daddy need to even take note now. Anytime your daddy want to go travel, and he want to take you there, daddy should get her a phone.
That's it.
Get her a phone. In fact, I think this settlement need to be it have to be, I don't know, it's left for you. I told this man that, because of the children you people have together, I am going to talk to him in order, no matter what you do, for me to settle you people and make sure you people dey all right. But this matter where this girl just raised mouth say you go out some other time, you go out yesterday, is that how you be going out with this girl, small girl?
I'm sorry, babe.
Eh?
The temptation. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It won't happen again, my love. I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry. The devil's work. Please forgive me.
How can it be devil's work? How can it be devil's work?
It won't happen again, I
The
promise.
worst thing you are doing now is this child.
Yes, I'm
It's
sorry.
not good.
I know.
She won't forget anything. Don't you see her the way she's remembering trying to come out with anything? You cannot tell her to keep quiet as she did because she talk the truth. Do you understand me?
Yes. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Okay, thank you for the patience. Thank you for the patience because I really have to talk to him for him to keep calm. If there's anything for settlement, they should just go out, not here shouting, talking.
Thank you.
Welcome back. That video was very heartbreaking, but I want you to learn from it. If you are an Igbo person and your wife is caught in this kind of situation, what will you do? I know some people will say, she has pleaded, you have to forgive her, but there are cultural processes that are used in handling such matters. Don't say, oh, it is an outdated culture. Such cultures are not outdated at all. Such Igbo cultures are not outdated. They are still very much active. Prayer cannot save you from it. Going for confessions cannot also save you from it. As a married woman, if for any reason you defile yourself or your marriage, it will not only affect you, but also affect your children in that marriage. So, what can he do to bring her back? What can she do to cleanse herself? In Igbo land, it is called Esaifi. Some call it Esaifi. Different people have different names for it, but it is the same thing. Propitiation of adultery. That will be the topic we will take time to holistically discuss in our next video. Thank you for watching. Kindly drop your comment in the comment section if you would like us to discuss the propitiation of adultery in details. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your audience. Do have a very wonderful day.